think it was around 2016 or 2017, where Amazon introduced organizations and the concept of having multiple accounts under one roof. Companies could have always created multiple accounts, but before organizations, there was no way for a company to say, hey, I'm company X, and show me all of my accounts that belong to that company, right? They would have to just have a listing of all the account numbers and go figure it out. It wasn't tied together. So Amazon introduced the concept of organizations to allow companies to better manage these multiple AWS accounts that they have. Because before that, you would have to use tags, and then using tags, then you could, you could figure out which one of these belong to you, and kind of create a bit of a relationship with them. And billing and cost management was a nightmare, let me tell you. So when they came out with the organizations and the multi-account structure, it allowed companies to go to a master account from which all the child accounts come from, and they're linked. And in the master account, you could look at the billing, and across all the linked accounts. So it made billing a lot easier. But as a byproduct, which security often tends to be, is like someone tries to do some function to make the system work better, and then there's a security benefit, right? So in this case, the security byproduct, this multi-account structure, was that you should separate services that have something to do with security in their own account. So you should set up a multi-account architecture, and then the security relevant services, like for example, you might have an S3 bucket that stores your logs for CloudTrail, or there may be guard duty or some security service. You would stand those things up in that security account, and then that would belong to your organization in a multi-account fashion and be a child of one of your master account. But there are a lot of security benefits in the SRA. So Iman, maybe let's go into a few of them.